Hello everyone, welcome back to Space Engineers. Alright. Well, we have Spaghetti Cruiser inside 4K. Okay. Well, so the purpose of today is to get Red Base to space. I was just gonna rip up everything, but I think I will leave anything concrete if I can. Now, what I need to do in order for this to happen is go to the build and repairs. Do I have here? Build and repair group 1. I'm going to set you to weld only. Okay. So they shouldn't grind any of this. Now, I believe I can get, let's see, bobs are on, good. I believe I can get this, I can get 6 million kilos off the ground. First, right, these are all heavy armor. Do I want to replace it with light armor? Or just... Okay, so all the patch jobs are going to be light armor. I'm going to patch with light armor panels. Naturally, I don't have materials for that. I can't withdraw anything. Hello? Do you not have anything in here? Nothing at all. Not even ammunition. Alright. That's fine. We're also going to do something else. Okay. So we're going to put a connector on here. And oh wait, shucks. Pink it. Okay. Sorry. I need a sorter as well. So where's a sorter? What is that? Small connector. Huh. Oh, this is part of the small ship pack. Okay. But I need the sorter, which is in... Is it in here? There it is. Okay. Conveyor sorter, which is interior plate. Naturally. Okay. because then I can prevent I can prevent, there it is, concrete. So blacklist concrete. Whoa. All right, I've got stuff. I've got some more stuff. Concrete rubble. What mod is that from? Anyway. So, no concrete coming out. Yeah, blacklist concrete. So now I can drain all and throw it out. But first, I need to go over here. This is a Callisto spaghetti cruiser. I need to go over here and believe. Well, okay, so I do need access to a couple of these. That's the light armor block. That's a light armor block. Let's see. Can't detach anything there. You know what? There we go. Now, can I put... one by one wheel, short suspension. Looks like no. Need a 3x3 space. Okay. Alright, so where did I put that? 6. Oh, maybe I could have put it there with steel plates there. But it won't let me attach the wheel, so we're gonna have to go up here, and it's going to ruin the aerodynamics, not hydrodynamics. This doesn't go in the water. But grab these. Maximum distance. I'm gonna give it 2 more meters. Oops. And reverse. Oh, wait a second. I don't need to come to maximum. Because minimum is set at 3. So we'll already get 3 more meters. There we go. Now, okay, so I can't just just jump up to it. I'm gonna have to fly, but hopefully that will allow me to attach these with wheels. Yes. All right. That's fun. All right. Okay. One. That one. That one. Now, blue. One there. One there. One there. These are essentially my landing gear. And also these. That I need to pink that, I think. And let's see, it's the conveyor sort. So if we did a regular conveyor, and then a regular connector, does not get us anywhere near where we need to be. Excuse you? Stop moving. Alright, so we need to find out what a landing gear would do. Where's my landing gear? Drone hangars. Come on. Where's the landing gear? Okay, I'm tired of looking. It would also be 3. And it would be almost the same. Alright, yes, I'm regretting removing the piston from my bar. Hydrogen engine. Paint the conveyor pink. Why are you not grinding? There we are. Just needed to update. So, stick out like a sore thumb anyway. As well get an inset. Anyway, so now, oops, wrong button. Okay, now pistons. This inset connector is not built. Oh no, it's on a different. Reverse. Says we're moving. Not sure I believe it. Anyway. So yes, it has clearance off the ground. Pistons can be removed. We need a camera. I'm not sure. Oops. Stuck on a wheel. Where's my camera? Oh, camera. What is this? Huh? Plain wheel suspension. Okay. There's the camera. Where to place the event controller? Alright, so paint this pink. Ew. What is that? Is that a hydrogen engine? Bet it is. Hey, damn it. That means I just removed. Okay, this might not work. Because that's the underside of a large cargo. Oh, here. Why don't I just put it here? But yeah, that just means I disconnected the hydrogen engine from any access to fuel. So, that'll be an issue. Potentially. There we go. There. Now I've actually got plates around all of it. Oh, let's look at that one. There we go. Caps on the conveyor. So, hypothetically, they won't get damaged. Alright, so now we paint the pistons pink. still almost perfectly balanced. Yeah. Just a hair off. Just a sliver off. Okay. So now, let's actually go over here. And whitelist ice. Okay. Now, turn it to drain all. Right. Now, connector. Let's move off to one side here. Throw out. I forgot to make sure that these guys weren't picking stuff up. Alright. Can pick up stone and gravel. Okay. I have to go over here and double check that this collected the ice. It's building repairs. I hear something. Let's see. Rear and set connector has 12. You have 4. That's 16-ish. Why would the generator not be? Because it's not on. There we go. Is that a thing? Okay. Okay, we need this to process faster. Can I put it there? Oh, we could probably put some here. So, let's get 2H2 gen. fades of fielding the station all over again. Oh well. The good news should be... well, the bad news is all of these are going to need air. No? Oh, they can hold a whole lot of ice. Well, let's go dump some ice. What is this called again? Connector 4. Okay. Connector 4 being base. Connector 4. Throw out. Guess there's a whole lot of ice over here. Nitrogen engine is 100%.
Energy low.
Yeah. Go to H2 generators. I'm not consuming any ice because lower hydrogen tank is filled to 100%. You're picking up ice. Oh. Forgot about you guys. You guys can turn off completely. Just saying. Where's my bombs? 2. Inventory. Show only current inventories of courage. Yeah, you've been picking up a bunch of ice, haven't you? Yep. Drain the ship. Alright. So... yeah, we're gonna empty all the ice out. And... start reducing our footprint. This is concrete, this is not. Oop, hello. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna reduce it by myself.
Inventory full.
Oops. I just ground those into scrap metal. Sorry. Oopsies. Why am I walking so slow? Hold. There we go. Spaghetti cooker. 11k out. Don't see any damage here. Huh. Weird. Okay. It has to have been connected to the ice, but I don't see what happened. Alright, so now we start grinding down the other side. Let's go take a quick peek at this. Full in 3 hours. Good. How's our batteries doing? I'm left fully depleted in 1 hour. And the hydrogen engine, it's filled. And it's continuing to pull. So it must be connected somewhere. Fully depleted in 4 hours. Okay, that's fine. We can use some hydrogen to keep us going. Combat phase is now active. Alright. Unless I don't have an unknown signal nearby, do I? I bet that's what it was. An unknown signal blew up. Shame. Shame. Alright, what is this? It is a cargo container. Is there anything in it? No, don't do that. Inventory. Yes, 3,000 steel plate. Hey. I guess I'm painting this one. They are pinks. No, I don't want to. The plus side to that is... Oh, great, we're not picking up ice anymore. No, go ahead. Start grinding. I'm gonna have to grind concrete. Because I don't want the concrete going to space. It's heavy, it's annoying. It doesn't take up a lot of space.
Energy low.
Right. Electrons are low. turn that off. It's power usage I don't need.
Energy critical.
Critical energy. So I'm not going to be able to dismantle the entire base and leave the concrete here. So what I think I will do is dismantle everything except
No energy.
Run for the chair. Oh shucks. Where's the shot? Okay. So what I'll do is dismantle everything except a cargo container, possibly mounted out by the windmills. You know what? So 493 concrete is 182.41 liters. So a small cargo container oh, the refinery just finished. Nice. Holds 15,000 liters. So I think just a small cargo container out by the windmills. Or I could just sever all connections. Conveyor sorter. Alright, so now another sorter. There we go. Now we have everything hooked up to there. These are conveyors, but that is a cargo container. Oops. Deposit everything. We'll take... Oh, there's nothing in here. Sweet. Okay, so now we're gonna do... turn all the sorters... Okay, turn it off. Actually... Yeah. Turn U3 sorters. I can't choose what to... Okay. So, whitelist. Concrete. Concrete rubble, whatever that is. This is really annoying. I'm sorry for anybody who's having trouble with those windmill shadows. I will finish this as quickly as I can. Nope, not that. And, okay. Now, get out of the blinkies. Here, I can do it from here. So, conveyor sorter. Oh, right. 2, 3, and 4. Drain off. Okay. And this is the east outside cargo. I think the other one was the north. Inventory is at 100% already. Why are you... What? What happened? Okay. Something happened. Because that wasn't supposed to happen. Yeah. You've got 10,000 concrete, but you've also got all these. So what happened? Remove concrete rubble? Nope. We're not out of range for that. And it just filled it up again. Which means... this one's not good either. Okay. So hypothetically... Well, that was a waste of time and effort. Unless... Yep, all of our concrete is right here. Okay. And 31,000 thing of gravel. So, we're going to go over here, because it can't get out of there through the system. Now, control panel. course, we're going down here to blacklist. Move. We're gonna put gravel in there. Okay, now if we go to drain all. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Ah! No! Stop throwing up! Ouch! What did you just throw out on my feet? Nickel ingots? Cobalt ingots, maybe? Sorry, that sneeze snuck up on me. Alright, find empty. See, why do I have concrete here? How are you not connected anymore? Oh my gosh. That was how it was hooked up? You mean to tell me that large container number 6? Okay. So, now I have to figure that out. Because apparently, they're not connected anymore. What is this? This is a generator. Wait. Does a basic refinery only have... It looks like a donut. Oh, it's got 2. So what? Unless we've got people not using conveyor systems. Basic refinery, yep. Basic assembler. Build and repair systems. We're all using that. O2H2 generator. All of them are using the conveyor system.
Energy low.
Okay. So that was it. Alright. Now, let's go fly over to cockpit. And from there, inventory. Can't move it from the basic refinery to the bottom connector. Why? You can move it back and forth from them. Okay. Cool. But what is wrong with my bottom connector? Okay. Inset connector has port there and port there. Now it should, hypothetically, allow me to pull through a piston down to here. Now, but it looks like I can't. Why? Where's the piston? Connector piston. Alright. No. Is there an advanced piston? Nope. Just piston. Oh. That's why. What is that? The hydrogen. Alright, I'm back. And it's dark. Research labs. Alright, so for some reason the sorters are broke. I just ran away from that without. So, okay, turn the lights on. So for some reason, bottom connector. Oh, because it's. Right, I'm an idiot. The bottom connector worked before, because we had. We had an inset connector that was connecting both of them. Now the question becomes, why are you driving on wheels? Why? Now the wheel cannot be placed. Thanks. Thanks a lot. This is why I wasn't going with wheels. It wasn't good. Okay. So I also can't do that because my idea for this was not going to work. So here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put an inset connector there. And then we're going to take all of these wheels that we just put on. Nope, not that. And of course you go for that. Really? Oh, shucks. That's not cool. Maximum distance. U5. Minimum. No, I'm not gonna. No, no, no. That's not. Okay. Alright. We're putting the pistons back on. And naturally, these are in the way. Of course they are. I don't know how far.
Energy low.
Of course energy's low. Tell me something that I don't know. Wait a second. Are those... Ooh. Perfect. I think those will be in the right spot. Yep. They will be in the right spot. Good. Okay, so from in here, while recharging our energons, go find the pistons. We're going to set the maximum distance to 5. Okay. We're going to leave the minimum distance alone. We're going to reverse. Stop reversing. Okay. So, that should... No, I need to go to 6. Really? Somebody turned my number lock off. There we go. Now we can grind all these off without worrying about things going pear-shaped. Really? Damn it. I accidentally remove all the things that I wanted to keep. Now, this will be fine because oh, actually, there's a camera there. That's right. Oh, found some more wheels. Alright. We're okay for now, I think. Fueling it up. How is the hydrogen level? 9%. Okay. Input is 0. Did we empty our hydrogen? We did. Where's that hydrogen engine? 8.6%. Oh. I kind of want to fire up the thrusters just to see how much they'll use. What is this? Maybe I can do... Thrusters don't have a group yet. Okay. .74 kiloliters per second. Yes. Yeah, these are more efficient. Max usage. We have how much here? Total of 7.91 milliliters. To be 1,000 kiloliters. Right? So these all take 1 kiloliter per. $34 or 7,000 divided by 34. 205 seconds at maximum burn on all of them. Obviously, we won't have all of them running at once. And it weighs half a million right now. Where is stuff getting spit out? I told you, Bobs, specifically you, Now that the other one is gone. Well done. You know what? Turn it off. What is going on? Oh, those. Okay. Um. Hmm. This is getting ridiculous. Alright. Well, here's what's gonna happen. I am gonna go take a nap. And we will see if we can't get this going. Base. Next week. See you all later, everybody. Thank you for watching. And I will see you all next time on Singularity. Bye now.